Hi everyone, my name is Chef Grant at the Blue Flame Kitchen, and today we're going to talk about shrimp. We've got 4 different kinds here. They're all a bit different, but they're all delicious, but they're good for different things. So we have got our Argentinian shrimp here. These are wild caught. They're pink. They look like they're cooked, but they're not. You still have to cook these ones, but these are great flavor, perfect for grilling on the barbecue. Next to these is those famous black tiger shrimp. You see those everywhere in the grocery store. Very versatile, very affordable. You can use those in pastas, you can use those on a salad garnish, lots of different things for that. Next to that, I have got our white Pacific shrimp. So these are a little bit milder in flavor, a little bit softer in texture, but very versatile and interchangeable with our black tiger shrimp. Lovely, easy to use. And next to these, I've got our salad shrimp, or they're called ice shrimp, or even matin shrimp. These are cooked, peeled, ready to go, perfect for in a salad. You could use them in a sandwich, lots of different things like that. Some people use them as soup garnishes. One thing that we're going to find here that they're different sizes. So when we look at the different sizes here, I've got these little guys here, which are smaller. My Argentinian ones are bigger, and my black tiger in Pacific are about the same size here, but you're going to notice on the bag that each one has a different number. So the different numbers mean the higher the number, the smaller the shrimp, because it means there's more of them per pound. So these Argentinian ones here are 1620, so there's 16 of those in a pound. These ones are 2125, so there's 21 to 25 of them per pound in a bag, and so on. So the higher the number, smaller the shrimp, the more than we get. That's our quick chat about shrimp, and that's the diff.